In this quick video, I will show you how to buy S&P 500 on Charles Schwab. So it is very easy to do. Just watch this video till the end. So first thing you need to do is open up your Charles Schwab app and then log in your account. So once you have logged in, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. From here you have to click on this trade option, this middle one. So simply click on that and then this will open up this page. So from here you have to select the trade section that you want to buy. You can select stock, ETFs, options or mutual fund. So select any of them and then under the select account option you have to select the account which you want to use to purchase the stocks. So just select the account and then in the symbol you have to enter S&P 500 and once you search it, the result will look like this. So from here you have to select S&P 500. So just select it. So you can also type this SWPPX to search this Charles Schwab S&P 500 index fund. So you can use this symbol in the search bar. So simply enter this symbol in search bar and this result will pop up. So from here you have to select this SWPPX. Now once you select it, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to show the price of its stock and from here you have to select this buy button under the action label and once you do that, this will open up this input box where you have to enter the amount that you want to purchase the stock. Minimum you have to enter $1 or you can enter any amount but it has to be greater than $1. So just enter the amount and then you have to click on this review order button. And once you do that, this will show you all the details regarding your index fund. It will show the quantity, market value, symbol and all the things. So you just have to scroll down and you will see this option place order. So just click on that and your S&P index, S&P 500 index will be purchased in your Charles Schwab account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.